Hey guys, welcome to Gumtreekids. Today we're going to build a slime bug swamp. These are just simple things that you can find in your house that will help create a fun activity this summer. Let's get started. So first we put food coloring inside a big bucket and added some corn flour. The corn flour really does make the water pop. The more food color you put in, the stronger the color will be. Once giving it a good stir, add your water to your tray. You add your sand in next. This is a really fun part, especially if you're having your kids help you. You can have them pat down the sand, and then of course blending it in towards the water will create this really cool beach look once the water has settled. Next, add some corn flour into an extra bowl. You could add a little bit of water on the side and mix your color in before stirring the rest of it together. I made this one a little more watery, which I'll show you the reason on the next step. Repeat the last step with a new color. I added the water in slowly with this one just because I wanted the slime to be a bit thicker. When you're adding the thicker slime into the more liquidy slime, this will create really cool effects into the slime, which is also fun for the kids to swirl around. Next step, add some rocks. Next step, take your cocoa powder and add it to the water. This will eventually settle into the water, creating a really cool swamp look. I like adding some cocoa powder to my slime as well. Over time, it will expand in the slime, creating really cool patterns. Next step, take your old cereal or oats, beans, lentils, adding it into the sand and around the tray. I then added some birthday sprinkles into the tray just to create some cool colors. Next step, add your greenery. This will really make your tray come together. In our tray we use bugs, but you can actually use dinosaurs, wild animals, pretty much any figures that you have at home. And that's about it. It's a really fun tray and super easy to make. And like I said, you could use things from around your house and not have to go out and buy anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this and want to see more, make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. We're going to be releasing a new video each week for you to learn different trays from Gumtreekids.